We're learning one of the men accused of punching a Brainerd High School student faced a prior conviction in federal court.
Now, this happened on January 5th, and the Hamilton County Sheriff's Office is looking into it. Dallas Payton is here with more.
David, Cindy, attorney Robin Flores is representing the son of Latara Smith and the daughter of Quentin Howard. He says Smith's son was punched by Josephus Reed, a third-party security officer. The student had to seek medical attention. He says Howard's daughter was involved in a similar incident with the same third-party security at Brainerd the day before. Attorney Robin Flores tells us that the names of his clients cannot be shared because they are minors. Flores says he's currently preparing possible litigation against all parties involved.
Right now, what we're exploring are various personal, state law claims against the actors, which would be the principal, any other employee that was directly involved in the retention and the deployment of these three men.
Flores names Josephus Reed as one of the men involved in an incident that happened on January 5th. He says a male minor was punched and treated at Erlanger. Local 3 filed an open records request and found that Reed has a prior conviction of 1 count of intent to distribute crack back in 2009. He was sentenced to 63 months in prison in March of 2010 and placed on probation for 8 years. He was released from prison in March of 2013. Flores says he is currently waiting on a records request from the Hamilton County Sheriff's Office and Hamilton County Department of Education to gather all evidence.
And we have already obtained records from the Department of Commerce and Insurance up in Nashville. And after I review anything that I get pursuant to my public records request, we'll be deciding on the next course of action, whether it be a blend of federal and state law claims or just state law claims. That's where we are now.
Hamilton County Schools Communications Officer Steve Doremus shared a statement about the incident that reads in part, "At this time, HCS knows that an individual from a third-party security firm was involved in an interaction with a student. HCS administration does not employ or has not authorized the use of third-party security at any of its schools." The statement goes on to say that the school system will review the incident and conduct their own investigation once the sheriff's office is done. The Hamilton County District Attorney's Office says the Hamilton County Sheriff's Office is leading the investigation on the case. A spokesperson for the office says they cannot comment on the open investigation. In studio, Dallas Payton, Local 3 News.